What's going on, guys? It's Baseplate 12, or Mitch as you guys know me. This video is going to be about two things: Universal Studios Hollywood and the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the Hyperlapse. So in this video, I'm just going to show you some things that I took video of, but the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the Hyperlapse, is where you're going to see the time lapse. So what I did is I shot it in 4K. Pro Tune was on. It's at 50 times, or the speed. And so it's just gonna I just put that into the video clips just to kind of show you what it looked like. Super cool effect. In fact, that's the reason why the Hero 7 Black was just so appealing to me, is I like the hyperlapse, and the stabilization was turned on also. So it's just really neat to see that in action. So check this video out, and thanks for watching.